Hi guys, in this video I will show you how the scammers know your phone number, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how the scammers know your phone number. You need to change some settings on your phone that other people don't know your phone numbers. Okay, now first just click on settings. After that, just scroll down and then click Google. After that, click all services and then just scroll down and you see here autofill and passwords. Click phone number sharing. Okay, phone number sharing allow Google to show you a screen that lets you choose phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. This is turn it off. And other things you can do, just go back and then click settings. After that, type in the search bar permission manager and then click again permission manager. After that, click contacts. Okay, here you can see the apps with this permission can access your contacts. What you need to do, just keep that you need and you trust that have access to your phone number. Okay, for example, this one, Strava app. If you don't want it, just click on it and then select don't allow. Okay, here for allowed I have those apps. Okay, for example, Lazada. Okay, if I don't want it or I don't trust them, just click don't allow. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how the scammers know your phone number. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.